In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable TikTok app without deleting it on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings, then head over to General, and then iPhone Storage. And once you are in here, just scroll down until you find the TikTok app, and on that page you can easily disable TikTok app without deleting it. All you have to do is just hit at Offload app and then Offload app again. And what that will do, that will delete all TikTok app data files that may help you to free up some disk space on your device. And also it will kind of disable TikTok app. So now if we hop out Settings, we can notice this cloud icon next to TikTok app name, which means that the app is now offloaded. If we change our mind and we want to enable TikTok app again, we can do it right from here by hitting at Reinstall app, or we can just tap at TikTok app icon, and it will automatically download all necessary files, and then you will be able to use TikTok app as before without even re-entering your login information and without losing any data. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.